Sweden in 2025, a land of beauty, balance, and innovation. Welcome to Sweden, a land where breathtaking landscapes meet cultural sophistication and where the people are as captivating as the scenery. In this documentary, we'll take you on a journey to discover what life in Sweden is truly like in 2025. From its enchanting northern lights to its thriving cities, and from its unique traditions to its world-famous beauty standards, you'll see why Sweden is a country like no other. Let's dive in. Sweden is nature's masterpiece. Imagine endless forests, serene lakes, and rugged coastlines that stretch as far as the eye can see. Then there's the magical Lapland, where the northern lights dance across the sky, creating a surreal spectacle. Whether you're hiking through the mountains, exploring the archipelagos, or just breathing in the crisp, fresh air, Sweden's natural beauty is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Let's address the famous question: is Sweden really home to some of the world's most beautiful women? In a country that values health, education, and self-expression, many Swedish women radiate confidence and elegance. But beauty here goes beyond appearances. It's about kindness, independence, and a deep respect for equality. In Sweden, true beauty is holistic. In Sweden, balance is a way of life. The concept of lagom, not too much, not too little, shapes everything from work to leisure. With a strong focus on sustainability and well-being, Swedes enjoy a high quality of life. Whether it's biking to work, enjoying cozy fika coffee breaks, or spending weekends immersed in nature, the Swedish lifestyle is all about harmony. Sweden's cities are as modern as they come. Stockholm, the capital, is a hub of innovation and design, with its cobblestone streets blending seamlessly with cutting-edge technology. Gothenburg offers a vibrant cultural scene, while Malmö's sustainable urban planning is a model for the world. These cities are not just places to live, they're places to thrive. Winter in Sweden is like stepping into a fairy tale. Picture snow-covered landscapes, cozy cabins, and the excitement of skiing and dog sledding. Then there's the unique Swedish sauna tradition. Nothing beats warming up in a sauna before diving into an icy lake. And during the holiday season, Swedish towns light up with Christmas markets and festive cheer. Sweden's rich culture is a blend of ancient traditions and modern influences. From Viking heritage to contemporary music like ABBA and Avicii, there's a little bit of everything. And who can forget Sweden's globally celebrated festivals, like Midsummer, a joyous celebration of life, light, and love? Sweden's culture is as diverse as it is fascinating. Sweden consistently ranks among the best countries to live in, thanks to its excellent healthcare, education, and social security systems. The work-life balance here is legendary, allowing people to spend more time doing what they love. Add in the friendly locals, stunning landscapes, and high safety standards, and it's no wonder so many people dream of living here. Sweden in 2025 is a perfect blend of natural beauty, progressive values, and a deep sense of community. It's a country where tradition meets innovation, where people live in harmony with nature, and where beauty comes in every form. So, what do you think about life in Sweden? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing journeys with epic destinations. Tack mycket. Thank you for watching.